Okay, all right. The first video of 2024. So, y'all remember these, right? Well, they've decided to go ahead and give us these. And I gotta admit, honestly, I think these are executed pretty nicely. Let's check them out together. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefra. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're having a very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, as you can tell from the box right here, and as you can see the logo on my shirt, I'm bringing you guys another sneaker review. Now, the brand that we're taking a look at for the sneaker that we're checking out today is, of course, Nike, as you can clearly see. But it's over a Nike Dunk, and this Dunk colorway that they decided to go with, they went ahead and they kind of got this off of a concept we've gotten in the past, and it was off of a model of the Air Max 90 Bacon. These are called the Sail, and I think it's the Sport Red. However, if you look at this colorway, it looks like literally like the Bacon from the Air Max 90. So I'm actually pretty excited to see how they executed that. Like, I haven't seen these, of course, but when I went ahead and bought them and I saw official images, I'm like, these are somewhat interesting. So with all of that said, let's get straight into these babies right now. Let's go. Okay, first and foremost though, let me just go off and say, hey, I appreciate you guys so much for the love and the support that you guys show. Like, seriously, it means so much. Your guys' love that you've been showing since I started this channel till now is just continuous. Here we are at 2024, and I just want to keep the momentum going. And same goes for you guys as well. Stay consistent with all the goals and the milestones that you're trying to hit for your life, because consistency is the key for real. If you guys do want to go ahead and see yourself posted like you see right here, just comment down below. Let me know how you're feeling today. Let me know about how you feel about the video for a chance for yourself to be seen right here. So also as well, if you haven't went ahead, definitely go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, because it's greatly appreciated. Every time I drop a video, you can be the first and alerted and notified. So with all of that said, thank you guys so much, and let's dive straight into these Nike Dunk Lows. Let's go. Oh, and yes, I didn't forget. So I always like to be color coordinated with the product that I'm reviewing. And as you see, we're looking at pretty much, I'm calling these the Bacon, and they have that Bacon colorway with the red and the pink. So I got myself a pink headband. I was gonna go with red, but I was like, you know what? I'm feeling the pink vibe today. So we're gonna throw this on, and then we're gonna check out these dunks. Let's get it. All right, here we go right there. Let's go in straight away and dive into these. So I did go ahead and get these from Nike. These dropped last year of December. Kind of like, this is more of the last of the year, like, you know, end of the release. And the price, I did go ahead and get these for was $125. You can find these over at Nike still. There's still sizes still available. I actually can't believe it. So let me go ahead and open this up. But yeah, the concept on these, I was very excited because, like I said, this reminds me so much of the Air Max 90 Bacon, and I never had owned those, so I was actually happy to see that they did this for these. So looking at the box right here, nothing really fancy. Looking at the lateral side, you do get your regular Dunk box, all red with your Nike text right there. As you look at the other side as well, you get the exact same thing. And then as you look at the size description, it's right there. I'm gonna read it for you guys right now. So this is the women's Nike Dunk Low PRM Sport Red Sheen Straw Sail. I did go ahead and get a 12.5 for women's, which is an 11. So these actually did come in extended sizes. So my big feet people, not to worry, you are able to go ahead and get a pair. And like I said, they're still on Nike sneakers. I'll drop a link where you can go ahead and pick them up right now. So like I said, this is an 11, and when it comes down to sizing for these, I kind of go like how if you've ever had an Air Force One, go the same size in that and you'll be perfectly fine. You can even get away with going a half size down if you want to, but if like this is your first time ever getting a Dunk, just go true to size and you'll be fine. So let's go ahead and actually pan this right now. Ooh, I'm excited. Let's go ahead and lift this up. 3, 2, and 1 right there. Okay, we got the, oh, they individually wrap these. What? They individually wrap these? Okay, so we're gonna have to do this a little bit differently. So let's go ahead and take this out. Let's put this right here. And 3, 2, and 1. Here we go right there. Well, these are actually kind of fun. I can't cut. These are exactly like the Air Max 90 Bacons. Look at this. Look at these right here. Now I do like how they individually wrap these. I kind of like that's different. They normally don't do. They just kind of like put the papering over each other. So this is the left right here. Let me go ahead and pull out the right now. Boom, here we go. This is the right there. The Nike Women Dunk Low Sail Red. This is definitely the bacon. I don't care what no one says. They can give it another name, but this is a bacon on a dunk, which is really cool. So I like these a lot. I do like these. Very, very different. Very, you know, something that they went ahead and finally gave us for a dunk, which is really cool to see. So we're actually gonna go ahead and review the right, because I feel like the right kind of hits more. So let's put this right here and let's get straight into it. So starting from the outsole right there, the outsole is all nice brown, a mocha hit. You do get your Nike logo right there in the middle. As you come up to the midsole, you have an all white midsole that goes all the way around the shoe right there. Then as you come up some more, you get hits of your leather, which actually is very, very nice. It almost feels like a suede on the red right here. You get more hits of your white right there. Then you get a nice pink big swoosh that goes right there. Then you get hit with more of your red. As you come up to the back, you get kind of like a brown hit right there. And then you go ahead and get where you know where you see your Nike logo right there. It is done in your pink text, which is pretty nice. Can't even lie. It feels so good to the touch. Then as you come up, you do get kind of like, what'd you call these, like brown laces? Yeah, laces are brown, and then you go up to the tongue and you get hit with more of your pink, and then you get your Nike logo right there, and it is done in brown, and the logo is red right there. So they kind of went all out for these in terms of colors. They weren't afraid to really stand out with these. Now I'm gonna take the shoe tree out, and as you look inside of the insole, well, the insole is actually very beautiful. You have a Nike, you do have a Nike logo, which is done in pink. And then your insole is red right there. So that's actually that's cool. These are nice. These are nice. Like I said, retail price for these is $125. If you want to pick them up, they're still on Nike right now. I've even seen some retailers like Undefeated, they have them as well. So let me know what you think about Nike Dunk Low Women in the sport sail and sport red colorway. Is it a hit or miss for you, or is it a pass? Definitely let me know. So ladies and gentlemen, like I said, let me know what you think about the Nike Dunk Low in the, I'm calling these the bacon colorway. Before I go ahead and end the video, I just want to give you a closer perspective. That way, if you're kind of like on the verge, if you want to go ahead and rock these for the toe, rock these for the collection, then you can have a better idea of what you will be getting. So take a look at them right here. So these are the Nike Dunk Low Bacon, and I honestly think they got the materials down on these really, really good. To the brown of the outsole, to the pink on the swoosh, to the red on the side panel of the shoe, to even the plushness leather of the toe box right there with the brown laces. This was done very, very nicely. And I'm still on my dunk phase. I still definitely love dunks. Definitely, they're, in my opinion, very comfortable, especially if you get the right size. I just absolutely love it. You can dress these things up, you can dress them down, depending on the colorway. With this one, I would feel like it's not that it's hard to wear with colors, but you kind of need a solid outfit, you know, an all black outfit, an all white outfit, an all red outfit. You can kind of mix and match what you can, but I kind of think it'll be a little bit difficult. But that's the joy when it comes to, you know, finding an outfit with shoes though. So like I said, do let me know what you think about these, because I like them a lot. $125. If you go on Nike sneakers, you can still find a couple sizes still available. So let me know, y'all. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I appreciate you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Like, seriously, this has been the review of that Nike Dunk Low Bacon. On-feet reviews coming up right now. I appreciate you guys just 100%. Like, seriously, no exaggeration. And until next time, this has been your boy, this has been your kid. Remember, there's only gonna be one you, so be the best you. Continue to stay on the grind for your goals, for real. Continue to stay consistent. It's important. It's very, very important. And until next time, I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Gems with the